Welcome to modelpapers.com. This problem was asked in GATE 2003 in mechanical engineering paper, and this problem is from torsional of circular shafts. And what is the statement of the question here? Maximum shear stress developed on the surface of a solid circular shaft under pure torsion is 240 megapascal. If the shaft diameter is doubled, then the maximum shear stress developed corresponding to the same torque will be. There are four choices given here: A, B, C, D. In this problem, we have to calculate the maximum shear stress when the shaft of the diameter is doubled and the corresponding to the same diameter. Let us solve this problem. We know that the shear stress developed in the shaft, circular shaft, is T R by J. This is the shear stress developed in the shaft due to torque T at radius R from the center, and J is the polar moment of inertia. So here this is your circular shaft. Let's say capital D is the diameter and torque T acting on the shaft, and the shear stress is varying with respect to this radius small r, and it is maximum at the outer periphery of the shaft. Hence the maximum shear stress is when this radius is r, capital R upon J, or in terms of diameter D by 2 upon J. And what is the polar moment of inertia of this shaft? J is equal to pi by 32 d to the power 4. Okay, and this maximum, just putting these value and you will get 16 T by pi d cube, and in the problem it is given 240 megapascal. This maximum shear stress when the diameter of the shaft is capital D. What will happen when the diameter of this shaft is doubled? Let's say delta max dash is the maximum shear stress when the diameter of this shaft is doubled for the same torque in the given problem. And let us put this D equal to 2D. The diameter is doubled. This is equal to 1 by 8 16T upon pi d cube. And what is the value of this? Tau max upon 8, or tau max is what? 240 divided by 8 is equal to what? 30 megapascal. Hence when the diameter of the shaft is doubled, the maximum shear stress is reduced by 8 times. It means 30 megapascal. Hence option C is correct. Option C is correct in this case. Hence this type of problem you can solve in this way. Thank you.